Hello, this is Marty Ettington. I want to talk to you about my book entitled Enlightenment for Newbies. And as an overview, there are, of course, many religions, philosophies, and organizations and books, all written over thousands of years to help you reach enlightenment, but almost none of them can help you get there. Many books try to describe what enlightenment is, but words fail to describe a state of being one has to experience to achieve any understanding. In fact, for most people, reaching enlightenment is nearly impossible. It's like trying to get a doctor's degree at a 2-year college. Everybody knows it takes more than 2 years to become a doctor. It takes years of meticulous study. It takes grueling hours of research and study. This is a sad reality for people in search of enlightenment, and the reason it's difficult is because your ego is controlling you. It's not intentional on your part. It's almost entirely automatic. It takes special training, which I will give you inside this book, to turn off this automatic ego system. Otherwise, your ego causes you to swim in thoughts and emotions that keep you trapped in a state of self-satisfaction. But here's the ironic twist. Your ego can never be satisfied simply because your ego is simply an illusion of your true self. Therefore, you cannot experience enlightenment until you diminish your relation to ego. How do you stop listening to your ego and experience enlightenment? Amazingly, the truth hides in plain sight. When we learn to set aside our ego and live centered in our spirit, we experience enlightenment. I've created a book that answers this question, explores the subject in depth, breaks down the answers, and makes it kindergarten simple for almost anyone to understand. So here's some of the topics in this book. The history of the search for enlightenment. Misconceptions about what enlightenment is. A simple theory of how our spirit, energy, and physical bodies work together to reach enlightenment. How your ego, thoughts, and emotions keep you from experiencing the reality necessary to achieve greater happiness. How to reach stillness and have total peace, real happiness that expands manyfold. Meditation and stillness techniques that actually work. 8 proven steps to reach enlightenment. These are simple steps no one else has outlined or documented, but are 100% guaranteed to work. Personal stories of enlightenment. 6 ways to find enlightenment that cost you years of wasted effort and sacrifices, and the one proven way to easily become enlightened in a fraction of that time. For those of you not familiar with the enlightenment concepts, this is a great introductory book, which I think you'll enjoy and will give you lots of food for thought. To find it, you can go to my website, Mkettingtonbooks.com, go to the spirituality category, and you can order it there. Thanks for listening.